If you're a carpet cleaning business owner relying mostly on referrals and you have no predictable way to fill your schedule, this will sound familiar. A 30-year-old carpet cleaning company in Mississippi came to us with a problem. They had loyal customers, they had a solid reputation, but they had never focused on digital marketing. No Google ads, no SEO strategy, and no reliable way to turn marketing on when they need more jobs. So when the schedule slowed down, there were no levers to pull. This is a common problem for carpet cleaning businesses. So here's what we did. We rebuilt their website using proven lead generation best practices. We launched a Google search campaign targeting people actively searching for carpet cleaning in their area. We improved their SEO and keyword targeting. We optimized their Google business profile, Facebook, Yelp, and other listings. And we put a review generation and response system in place. Now let's talk about results. They generated 253 ready-to-book leads on just $4,066 in ad spend. That's a cost per lead of $16. And their conversion rate, over 20%. And this led to something huge, their first $40,000 revenue month, from a company that had never really advertised before. The same business, better marketing, predictable growth. Today, they continue investing in Google Ads and SEO to scale even further and even expand into new services like Oriental rug cleaning. This is what we help carpet cleaning businesses do every single day here at Book Cleaning Jobs. If you want predictable leads and your first record-breaking month, go to bookcleaningjobs.com and request time to speak with us.